M-LAN super body scatter has the function of fat size measurement, liposuction, cavitation, fat rotating, multipolar radio frequency, and heart rate testing. Firstly, connect all the handles to the host, as the picture indicates. Connect the power supply LAN. Turn on power switch. Click the picture on the screen. Enter the next page. Click Add. Input the name of the users. Input English or Chinese phonetic alphabet. When it's finished, click Enter. Camera function. Before the treatment, you can measure the fat size first. Take off the protective cover of the camera. Click Photo on the screen. If it is dark in the room, you can click Light to increase the light. Attach the measure scale to the treatment part, horizontal or vertical. Aim the camera at the treatment part. Press the foot switch. Each press to shoot a picture. The machine will make twice sounds like D, D. The first D means the shooting success. The last D means the photo is saved. When it's finished, back to the last page. Click the screen. You can see the photo. The following operation is to measure. Firstly, click Select key to setting to reference points. Put the first reference point at the position of 0. Click the arrow to adjust. Click the Select key again. Put the second reference point at the position of 2 or 4. The two reference points should be at least 2 cm away from each other. Secondly, click Select to set in the measuring line. A and B are the red horizontal line, stand for the height. C and D are the red vertical line. It means the width. This picture is to measure the size from level to waist aside. The result is 116.7 mm. The measurement is finished. Heart rate testing function. Put the finger into the heart rate tester for a minute. The heart rate test can work while using other functions. Liposuction function. Click Suction. Start the function. Choose the vacuum working mode. Click Photon to choose the color of photo. Firstly, to clear the meridian of the back. Detoxing. Move the fat. Remember to use essential oil. It will help the movement of the handle and to avoid damage to skin. Then, do the abdomen treatment. Move the fat of the waist to the abdomen. Walk about 20 minutes. Click pause to stop. Cavitation function. Click Intensity key. Setting output intensity. Click Start. Apply gear on abdomen. Press the foot switch to start treatment. In cycle or in line. Move slowly. Avoid bounce. Keep moving. Don't stay still. Each part about 15 minutes. Click pause to stop. Multipolar radio frequency function. Apply some gear on abdomen. Click Intensity key. Click Start. And adjust the output intensity. Move in cycles slowly. Walk for about 20 minutes. Fat rotating function. Clean the skin. Use essential oil. Click Vacuum to choose vacuum work mode. Click Photo to choose photo color. The photo function can be used while using the vacuum function, and it can be closed if you don't need this function. Click Rotation key. Adjust the rotating speed and angle. The fat rotating handle has 3 work heads in different sizes. Connect work head to the handle correctly. Click Start. Press the black switch in the handle. Work for about 20 minutes. You can change the rotating speed and angle during the treatment.